Hi, this is Glenda. I was watching a video by Mrs. Letty5 who was doing a bird in a snow globe, and that took my fancy. And some time ago I made my granddaughter, who's 3, a bird cage like this, and it's now all squashed, so I thought, well, there's an excuse, I'll make her something new. I don't have a snow globe, so I thought I'll try a ring. And I don't normally work this way. I don't normally plan anything out, so I'm not sure if this is going to work or if it's going to be too long to even post, but I'm about to give it a go. So I'll probably have to fast forward nearly all of it, but we'll see what happens. This is just a disc of thick cardboard, and everything else on it is just basic embellishments. Okay, so there's my non-snow globe bird. I haven't used my best flowers on it because 3-year-olds are known for pulling things off and destroying them. That would obviously be lovely with little mulberry flowers and a few more bits and pieces, but 3-year-old. So you can see it from both sides, so she can hang it, and she loves the crystals and picking up the rainbow lights, so I'm hoping that will do that for her. And I shall try and take a photo of the finished piece dangling without all the glue strings. And that's today's project. Thanks for watching.